Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing cancellation of Thai visas. And one may wonder, why would you even bring this up? What does this have to do with anything? Cancellation isn't something I'm going to be looking for with respect to getting a Thai visa or maintaining Thai visa status. Well, in point of fact, it may be, because sometimes cancellation of one visa may be a required condition precedent to be able to get a new Thai visa. It may be required on the part of an adjudicating Thai immigration officer that a prior visa be canceled in order for a new visa to be issued. Now, the context behind this will vary pretty radically from case to case, actually. But long story short, there are circumstances out there where it will be a prerequisite to cancel one visa in order to be able to get a new visa or new visa status. And one needs to be very careful with this. This is really something to approach with caution, because if someone's doing this on their own and they don't do it properly, they can get themselves into a lot of problems associated with maintaining their Thai visa status. Because if a cancellation occurs without a new visa being properly promulgated at the same time or simultaneously, for lack of a better term, then it could lead you to a situation where you're totally out of status here in Thailand, and that isn't good. At the same time, it's sometimes rather difficult to get a visa canceled. We often find people contact us when they're having problems getting a visa canceled in order to deal with a new visa matter. And for this reason, cancellation of a visa, it is an issue. It's not an issue most people think is going to be a major problem, but it is something that needs to be understood when you, especially in the times we're currently in, where it's not a particularly easy thing to do what's called a border run. It's not easy to run out of the country and come back in new status. And cancellation, more importantly, effective and correct cancellation of a visa may be very, very necessary, and it should be done with a great deal of care, because failure to do it correctly could result in a more fundamental problem, namely not having any visa at all in the Kingdom of Thailand.